A dangerous trajectory. The declaration from IGL, Jamaica's only supplier of medical oxygen, as hospitals struggle with little to no supply. Now, 3 shipments of oxygen are to arrive by Tuesday, with the first expected early Monday. But as Giovanni Dennis reports, surgeries have been suspended until more oxygen arrives.
Let us try as a country to break the trajectory we are, because we are in a dangerous trajectory.
An ominous declaration from the managing director of IGL, Jamaica's only supplier of medical-grade oxygen. His comment comes amidst a record 929 new COVID cases on Saturday, with hospitals island-wide grappling with little to no oxygen. Unstable weather in the region is also impacting supply. But good news.
We are getting 3 shipments between early tomorrow morning and Tuesday. One is from a primary, one is a secondary, and a tertiary. All 3 are coming. One should have arrived Thursday for us to clear it on Friday. That vessel, because of weather conditions and late departure from different ports, will now arrive on Tuesday. We would have held up well to demand as late as Thursday of last week. U.S. hospitals are running low on oxygen, and they have restricted export. So importing countries like us are finding it very difficult.
In addition to the oxygen shortage, other supplies are short.
Not only oxygen, lead times are longer, there are parts shortages. In some cases, we are buying oxygen more than what we are selling to the hospitals for. That is the scenario that is facing not Jamaica alone, but the world during this pandemic.
IGL is expecting improvements by early Monday.
The situation is extremely challenging at present. The local plant continues to run at maximum capacity, and we are supplying oxygen to hospitals as we speak, albeit at a lower level. So we expect to get out of this particular situation starting early tomorrow morning as products arrive in the island, and we expect an improved situation by afternoon of tomorrow.
In the meantime, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says all hospitals island-wide are low on oxygen, noting it's worse in several of the larger facilities like the Savlamar and Spanish Town hospitals.
There are about 3 or 4 institutions that are particularly bad because of the number of patients they have, and it's just a matter of trying to manage that.
When you say particularly bad and the hospitals having challenge, I just want specific language, Minister. Have they run out, some of them, of oxygen?
Some have run out and some are close to running out.
Which ones have run out?
I can't say right now. I mean, I know that I mentioned 2 that were extremely close, which would have probably run out by now.
That's Spanish Town and Savannah Lamar?
Right, but I know there are efforts being made to move cylinders from other places to those locations. It's a hour-by-hour management. I can't tell you that they have not gotten some additional cylinders within the last hour, but I know efforts were being made because they needed more.
Surgeries have been suspended until oxygen arrives. The Health Ministry on Sunday said surgeries will not be performed as patients will not be able to be ventilated without oxygen. Both men were speaking on Radio Jamaica's That's a Wrap on Sunday. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.